The Dragino soil sensor is used in agricultural settings to remotely monitor soil moisture and conductivity levels. The target application for this device is smart agriculture. This device is rated IP66, uses a 3.6 volt AA lithium battery, is enhanced with a supercapacitor to achieve a 10-year battery life, and has an operating range of -45 to 85 degrees Celsius. Included in the box is the LSE-01 module, a 3-meter soil probe, and an external antenna. Like with all of our devices, you simply scan the QR code to begin using the device on any platform. The data types included in this device are soil moisture, soil temperature, external temperature, and conductivity. The device comes with an attached 3-meter soil probe. On the top of the base unit, you'll find a removable cap. Once you remove the cap, it will expose a port where you can attach an external antenna for improved communication range. To turn the device on, first use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the lid. Then find the jumper that sits on one of the JP2 pins and reposition it so that it sits on both pins. The green LED will blink, indicating that the device is powered on and ready to be used. There's 2 ways to install the sensor. For shorter term installations, you simply insert the probe vertically into the soil at the preferred depth. Be sure to watch out for rocks or hard objects that might obstruct the probe. For long-term installations, you'll need to dig a hole of at least 8 inches in diameter and then insert the probe horizontally and then fill the hole to hide the device. You've got the device, it's powered on, it's in the soil. Now all you have to do is scan it and use it. It's pre-programmed to work on any platform. My Devices provides hundreds of pre-programmed sensors from manufacturers all over the world. To learn more, visit our website, and to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.